For this first proof of concept, the idea was to keep things simple. The goal is to use the pager as a screen to display the telnet output, just like any client on a computer. To make this work, I have connected the ESP32 to the pager. Once everything was wired up, we could see the boot sequence directly on the pager, which confirms that the communication is working properly. From here, let me know what you think we could build or improve next. The second proof of concept builds on the same idea but goes one step further. Here the pager is not only used as a display but also as an input device. It is connected to the Proxmark and uses the same serial interface that is normally accessed from a computer. Using the pager buttons, it is now possible to navigate through the Proxmark menus. These menus are the same as you will normally use through the serial console, and in this example I'm reading an NFC page directly from the pager interface. This proves the pager can fully replace a traditional serial terminal for certain use cases. And the third proof of concept is the most fun, but also the one that required the most effort. The idea here was to use the pager as an actual pager, not just as a screen. After some trial and error, the pager was able to receive and decode a real POCSAG message using the RTL-SDR dongle. The decoding code is not publicly available yet. I still need more work and cleanup. To transmit the message, I use the Hack5 as you have seen to send a test POCSAG signal. The message appears immediately on the pager, confirming that the full transmission chain is working. Then I send a second and last message to validate the setup end to end. If you are curious to go further and explore other ideas such as using additional USB peripheral or pushing the software further, feel free to send me your idea in the comments. You can also take a look at the GitHub repo to follow the project and future updates. And let me know if you like this type of experiment on the pager. And stay tuned!